Vanakkam and welcome to xltech. In this video, we are going to see how to format dates in Excel. For example, if you download any historical data from application or a server, you might get different date format in same column. So let's learn how to simply format it in this video. Before we do formatting, let's learn how Excel read the dates. Excel will basically read each date as a number. If you format number as a date, then it will be visible as a date in Excel. This is how Excel read the date. So that's why you can able to do all mathematical calculation in Excel using dates. So to confirm that, I have already done number formatting in column B and date formatting in column C. If I type number 1 in number formatting column, it will be just visible as a number. But if I type 1 on a date column, it will be visible like a date. So this is the difference between number formatting and date formatting. If I type 2 in number format column, it will just visible as a 2. Rather, if I type 2 in date column, it will be visible as a date. Likewise, you can type any number in date formatted column, it will be visible as a date. So let's try with the today's date. So I use a shortcut Ctrl: to get today's date. The sequential number for today's date is 44221. If I type 44221 on the date formatted column, it will be visible as 25th Jan 2021. Whereas in number formatted column, it will be just visible as 44221, even if I use a shortcut to enter the date. Hope you understand the link between number and date in Excel. Let's move on to the another sheet and do the date formatting now. We have a different date format in column B. Even it has a text format as well. So the logic is, if you are able to identify the sequential number for the each date, then it can format it as a date. It will be visible as a proper date for us. To do that, we are going to use a simple function called number value. Just type equal to number value and select the date cell and give enter. So once you give enter, it will give you the number value for the respective cell. Just fill down and see. Once we fill down, the all date value converted as a number value. Even it will convert text formatted value as a numbers. As we now have a sequential number for each date in column C. Now just select the column C and press Ctrl+Shift+ to format as a date. So if you want to format any dates from any format, just try the simple function. If it does not work, then we need to look at the alternative option as text to column. So we'll see about text to column in another video. Hope this video helped you. Please comment below if you want to crack any other date format. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also join our Telegram group and ask your questions. Link I have given in the description below. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in another video. Until then, bye from Aravind.